he tried to call Kalonzo, but the PA or the communication authority of Kalonzo Musyoka wakamwambia hapana, usijaribu kupiga simu usiku ama kutext because sisi hatuwezani hiyo mambo yenyewe. So Mike Sonko ndio come to aid of comedian Kioko. As Kalonzo team disowns him in Kenya shillings 19 million Machakos County tender row. So comedian Sammy Kioko can breathe a sigh of relief after former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko agreed to intervene over his alleged tender dispute with Machakos County government. So speaking on Monday evening during an interview on Obina TV show, the aggrieved comedian expressed his frustration over the delays in the payment of Kenya shillings 19 million by Governor Wavinya Ndeti's administration. So Kioko narrated how non-payment of the money had impacted his business and mental well-being. A situation, he says, forced him to seek assistance from close friends. So the comedian revealed that several attempts to reach out to senior county officials, including the governor, proved futile, triggering a series of accusations and counter-accusations. So he claims that the payment has been outstanding for nearly 2 years, despite completing the tender and even submitting documents, proofs of deliveries to the Machakos County Procurement Office. Out of empathy, the show host Oga Obina decided to directly contact the Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka and a close political ally of Governor Wavinya Ndeti in an attempt to seek assistance on Kioko's behalf. However, Obina's efforts were immediately disapproved by the opposition leader's team, who reportedly cautioned him against reaching out to the politician regarding the dispute tender. So it was like they sent him like a text. Let me read you the text that they sent Obina. Like, hi Obina, the communication team is kindly asking you to stop calling Kalonzo Musyoka, either online or offline. They say you are crossing the line. So the message read like that. So the alleged response by Kalonzo's team struck down Kioko's last gasp of hope in resolving the stalemate, which has dragged on for years. And however, Obina opted to contact former Nairobi Governor Sonko, whose response provided a lifeline for the disgruntled comedian. So Sonko, well known as for his philanthropic nature, quickly agreed to help Kioko. He asked the comedian for a meetup at his office on Tuesday morning, that is today. So the former county administrator promised to directly contact the Machakos governor over the tender row. Yeah, but speculated that the delayed payments could have been a result of the exchequer, like the checks delays in releasing capitation to counties. And he said that I really respect the governor, so let Kioko come tomorrow morning so that we can contact the governor. You never know, maybe the county is broke, but we'll try to find a way through, even if it means getting payment in installments. So it's good because amid Kioko's concern, the Machakos County government recently slammed the comedian over what it described as a political motivated scheme to derail Wavinya Ndeti reputation. But for me, I think that sipo mnafanya nani vibaya. So listen to this.
Haya, sasa saizi wacha tupigie Sonkore. Uko shonga na Sonko?
Sonko pia wake I think Arichi atakaniuliza kama niko fit tu. Kama kuna mahali mdozi anaweza saidia. Nikamwambia acha tuone kwanza. Kaunti ya Kisota kuna kitu tulisumbua.
Bozi mambo?
Yeah.
Uko fiti?
Yeah.
Ni Obina. Tuko sahi live kwa Obina show live. So uko live. So niko hapa na kijana anaitwa Sammy Kioko. Unamjua? Sammy Kioko. Tuko na issue moja kubwa sana hapo kaunti ya Machakos. Kijana anateseka, mazao amefika mwisho man, na kuna ugonjwa na find hospitali India we by Wednesday. Hawana namna na walifanya supply ya tender ya county. County imekataa kulipa. Right now is going to like the 8th month, just following the payment wanazungushwa. Juzi even the procurement officer for the county leader presser saying that anafanya vipindi amelipwa na national government achome governor. But the guy is really in need. Tumefika mwisho, so tukaona tukupigie. Unajua ndio unakonga champion ya wanyonge. Tuone tunaweza saidiana aje.
Okay, another county pesa ngapi?
19 million.
Hapo na proof ya kusupply?
All of them.
Are you living in fear of cheating? With TrustLog, monitor your partner's WhatsApp without them knowing. Enter the number, view the chats, and find peace of mind. Like thousands of others, put an end to your doubt.
Na anasema nini?
Governor tumejaribu kumtafuta bado kumpata imekuwa ngumu, lakini sasa unajua wale